Hello everyone, welcome back. Class 8th. In today's video, we will read about literary sources. We have plenty of sources to know about the modern period, but literary sources are more important than archaeological sources. Literary sources include original documents like government reports, administrative records, official records of the Britishers, and surveys. All these records have been carefully preserved in archives and museums. What is the meaning of archives? Archive means a place in which historical materials and documents are kept. A place in which historical materials and documents are kept. So first we will read about official records. The Mughal introduced the culture of recording everything, and this was further followed by Britishers. So Britishers started to record every administrative decision which they made and carefully preserved. So every executive, legislative and judicial body had record rooms in which even the smallest records were kept. And these records helped historians to know more about the modern period. Many of the official records of this period are now preserved in National Archives in India. Where? In National Archives in India. Now next we will read about survey reports. What is the meaning of survey? Survey means it is a research method to collecting data and making a map of it. The British started to conduct various surveys in India like population survey, revenue survey and land survey. From population survey they could know about that how much population was living that time in India, and revenue survey from they could know about that from which areas land they were getting more revenue and from which areas land they were getting less revenue. From land survey they could know more about that which areas land was more fertile and which areas land was less fertile. After doing these surveys they were making map of these surveys to give them a visual representation, like they were making graphs, charts and map. They also made a topographic maps. They also made a topographic maps. Topography means it is a study of land surveys which refers to the study of mountains, valleys, rivers, hills, soil type and rock classification, which helps Britishers to know more about the India. They also started to conduct census. What is the meaning of census? Census means an official count of the people who live in a country, including information about their age, occupation and religion. And they started to conduct census in 10 years. In 10 years, which gave information about caste, religion, occupation of the people of that time. I hope these topics are clear to you. Now next we will read about indigenous records. Indigenous records means that records which is related to our country. Diaries, account of pilgrims and travelers, newspaper, books, novels. They tell us about the feeling of the Indians under the British rule. People wrote in English. People wrote in English and vernacular languages. Vernacular languages means the languages which is spoken in a particular area or by a particular group of people. Like Dadabhai Naroji wrote Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, in which he highlighted the exploitative nature of the British rule. Newspapers like Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English made people aware about the intentions of the Britishers. When the national movement was at its peak, the Britishers tried to suppress this movement, but they were unsuccessful. This year we will study about the history of last 250 to 300 years. This period is generally regarded as the modern period. The modern period in India is associated with the establishment of the British colonial rule and the fight we put up against it. We will study about the social cultural change that come about in India under the British rule. We will also read about the rise of nationalism in India, which ultimately led to India becoming a free nation. We will also see the developments that have taken place since then and how they have impacted our progress. I hope you have understood the topics what I taught in this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query you can ask from me. Thanks.